Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the HP Smart Error printer status unknown on your Windows 10 computer. So I imagine this could be an annoying issue, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing we're going to go ahead here and do is open up the Start menu, type in Apps and Features. Best results should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. In the searches list field, type in HP. Best match should come back with HP Smart. Go ahead and open that up and select Advanced Options. Scroll down where it says Reset. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Go ahead and select Repair. And once that's done, try to restart the computer as well as doing a full power cycle with the printer, meaning turn it on, off, and then on again, and see if that resolves the problem. If you're still having an issue, you can come back into here and select Reset. If the app isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Go ahead and select Reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. And then once you're done with that, close out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully I should have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.